Hey everybody, I have a really fun recipe today that I am going to be trying. It is snickerdoodle cheesecake bars, and this is a keto chow recipe. It's actually one of the recipes that was, spoiler alert, in the June My Chow surprise box. So we are going to whip up these bars here real quick, and then we are going to go over to Draper, Utah to the Keto Chow headquarters, where I got a chance to sit down with Lindsay, my friend Lindsay Murphy, who's also here on YouTube. We got to sit down and open a surprise My Chow box together for the first time, like in person together. It was super fun, and so I will be sharing all the footage from that, and then I will come back for a taste test of the cheesecake bars and a special giveaway, so definitely stick around to the end. Through all of the craziness of travel, I misplaced my little recipe cards that came with the My Chow box. I know they're around here somewhere and they will turn up, but I wasn't able to find them. But the amazing thing is that all of the recipes on those cards are also on the website. So I was able to go to the website and print this recipe off so I can make it. The first thing we're gonna do is do the snickerdoodle mixture, and that is gonna serve as the crust as well as a little bit of a topping that you sprinkle on the top. So let's get going with that. So the recipe actually calls for an immersion blender on this part, but I'm a bit of a rebel and I don't like cleaning my immersion blender. So I'm going to attempt to just mix this up by hand. We'll see how it goes. If it's a fail, it'll be my fault. So we got half a cup of salted butter melted in here. And then the other change that I'm making is using using allulose instead of erythritol. I just prefer allulose, and I've used it in cheesecakes before and it works really well. Hopefully it won't cause too much browning to the crust, because the crust is not going to be, visible. The cheesecake will be covering it, so hopefully it'll be fine. Again, if it fails, it's all my fault. Just want to make sure the butter is cooled down enough so that when I put the eggs in here that they will not cook at all. 2 eggs. 1 serving of keto chow, and look at how cute the new packaging of the snickerdoodle keto chow is. I love it. And adding half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and I'm gonna get that all mixed up. Okay, now I'm gonna save out a 1/4 cup of this. That's gonna be like dollops on the top, and then the rest will go into the pan as crust. That looks like about a 1/4 cup, maybe a tiny bit more. Yeah, that's plenty. I have my 8x8 pan, and I'm just gonna grease it a little bit with this spray that's almost empty. Now gonna add our batter. It smells amazing. Snickerdoodle cookie cinnamon smell is very strong. All right, I could spend all day trying to make this perfect, but I think that's gonna be even enough. And now we're going to mix up the cheesecake topping. And I always forget to pull out my cream cheese ahead of time, so I'm gonna stick it in the microwave for 10 or 15-second intervals until it is nicely soft, not hot, but soft. All right, that's what I was going for. Nice and creamy without the lumps. Now I'm gonna add our second 1/4 cup of allulose, 1/4 cup of sour cream. Just gonna give this a quick stir before I add in the eggs. Adding in my egg. Now I'm gonna layer the cheesecake mixture over the snickerdoodle mixture. Now the idea is to get the topping on there and kind of swirl it in a little bit. So drop it in like dollops, and then we'll see if we can make it pretty with the knife. I think that's about as pretty as I'm going to be able to get it. I think it'll look even prettier when it's cooked. So let's see, Gonna throw this into the oven. I preheated my oven 350. We're gonna bake for 30 minutes and then we're gonna let it cool at least an hour or overnight. And we will be back for a taste test. So now enjoy the footage of Lindsay and me going through the My Chow surprise box for June.
Hey y'all, it's Lindsay
And Nili.
and we're here at Keto Chow headquarters, which is wild. I am so excited that we're here. It's so crazy. This is actually maybe a place you haven't been exposed to at the Keto Chow headquarters as of yet, but this is kind of exclusive, don't you think?
It is. I feel very fancy.
I mean,
Very special.
it's gorgeous in here.
It is. Yeah, this is the office, and this is the little sitting area. We've
Yeah.
got some like quiet pods over here that I'm going to get built into my house.
Same.
They are amazing.
And they're
it's
super
gorgeous
cute.
in here.
They were a little snug for us to try to do this.
Yeah, we wanted to film in there, but we couldn't quite make that work. So
Right.
here
Well,
we are.
But what are we going to do today?
We are going to unbox the My Chow box for June. Really June.
It's going to be June.
It's a summer
What?
box. And like we got to watch them pack our boxes for us.
So fun.
And
so much fun.
like see all the magic behind it, like the amazing people that do all the things here at Keto Chow.
Yes.
And since we're here, since we have our boxes, we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys together.
We're only going to do one box
Yes.
for today. Okay,
Yes.
so
the same thing will be in the other.
this
box.
is kind of like twins who get a matching a birthday gift that they have to share,
And then they have to hold it up and get a picture of it.
who gets to open the box?
Well, you're really good at opening boxes without knives,
You're not wrong.
so I defer to you
okay.
to open the box.
Well, you want to be cautious with Keto Chow because if you open it with a knife, you always could potentially cut the product and then you have to eat all of the product you cut right away. I feel confetti.
It was fun to see the giant bin.
The massive bin of
confetti.
confetti. Okay. Woo!
You have to clean that up.
I will clean it up. Okay. Neely, your turn.
Are we gonna go back and forth like I do with my kids?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
That is
You
it.
have to- you
Oh,
have
it
to go like
didn't
this.
stay. Okay.
Can't see it, even though we already saw it. Okay, back. Snickerdoodle.
Yum.
Look at the cute
Staple
packaging.
flavor.
I haven't gotten
Staple
one
flavor.
in the new packaging yet. That's super cute.
So cute.
All right, you're next. Don't look. Don't look.
Pina colada. You know, it
I noticed
is
there were
summer.
two of those.
It is
Yeah.
summertime.
Ah!
My hands don't work. All right, pina colada is a fantastic summer flavor. I know Joe and Rachel have their coconut crusted shrimp. So
Yes.
if you are into the coconut and into the shrimp, their recipe is likely a fantastic way to use this. But I'm also wondering if we've got some recipes that will use this.
Probably. And my husband has been enjoying pina colada mixed with strawberry to make like a tropical punch. So
That is
try
a clever
one, too.
idea. Super clever. Where are we setting these?
I just have one here.
Brilliant.
Okay, next is birthday cake.
Happy
I
birthday.
love birthday cake.
It is her favorite, I
Yeah.
think. For
It's,
sure.
it's definitely in the top 5.
We're sifting. Lemon meringue.
That's another
Oh,
good summer flavor.
fantastic summer flavor.
So
I
refreshing.
have so many ideas for this one that as soon as I get home, I'm going to be playing around with.
I can't wait. Okay. Raspberry cheesecake.
Ooh,
Solid flavor.
definitely.
This is also a good summer
staple.
one.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, all the fruity ones, it's funny, in the fall, I was all over, you know, like the gingerbread and the eggnog and all of that. And I didn't really want to have some, or like fruit flavors. And then as soon as the weather turned, I was like, oh, those sound really good.
100%.
Isn't that weird?
It is weird, but it is so good. I have a little parfait that I like to do with that makes little individual
We'll link it up in the
desserts.
cards.
Okay. Irish cream. So we're not going to give up like the more like warm flavors, even though
Right. Well,
like
it's iced coffee, though.
iced coffee, fantastic. Yes,
You have that in the summer.
love that.
Pistachio.
Very
What do you
good.
like to use pistachio for?
I like to just drink it.
Okay.
Honestly, that's like
It's
my
one
favorite
of Renee's
way.
favorites.
Okay, so we are at the last single packet, and we have chocolate toffee. Fantastic staple flavor also.
Very good flavor.
Oh, I kind of want to actually try to make actual toffee,
Yeah.
but I won't use allulose because that won't crunch up.
Yeah.
I have to use
So in
the
my
sugar.
photo shoot with Keto Chow, they made up a chocolate toffee Keto Chow, so I got cute pictures of me drinking it.
Delicious.
Okay, big bag.
Big
Ready?
bag.
This is arguably the best flavor of keto chow of all time. So a big bag is like, this is the best.
It's really
This
awesome.
is the best
It's true
box.
story.
Yeah.
True story. It's the best of like both chocolate and peanut butter all together.
Yes.
Jared
it's
really
a
loves
family.
this
It's a
one.
family favorite. Jeff too. Family favorite.
Gotta
Cannot
do it.
go wrong with a big bag of chocolate.
Absolutely.
Peanut butter. All right. My Chow box also comes with recipe cards. Every month they're different and they go along with the flavors that are in the box. I get out the recipe cards for June.
Ding. Okay. Do you want to open it?
Okay, I'll rip it and then you have to take out the first one.
I pray you are blessed by this. Okay, I'm pulling from the back, and I pulled peanut butter and jelly chaffles. That sounds exciting.
Is that
I'm
not
not gonna
chocolate
lie.
peanut butter?
That one is with chocolate peanut butter, so you can have
Nice.
all the chocolate peanut butter jelly. Let's say all the words: peanut butter and jelly chaffles as sandwiches all summer long. It's gonna
Yeah.
be great.
Yeah.
Those
Ooh,
look
as
delicious.
like an ice cream sandwich. Okay. Ooh, yes. Chocolate toffee brownies.
That has to be
was
made.
super good. Of course, it
10 out
has
of 10.
chocolate toffee keto chow in it.
That's some good logic right there. I
Yeah.
think they planned that.
That's solid. It doesn't even have almond flour in it.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, next up, lemon ricotta chaffles. I bet those taste super refreshing. Oh, I like that idea very much. Almost kind of like an Italian kind of a play. Oh, I don't know which one to make now. There's 3 good ones so far.
You don't have to choose just one.
Oh.
All right. Snickerdoodle cheesecake bars.
Oh.
Seriously, all
Jared's
the good
gonna love
desserts.
those.
Yeah. With Snickerdoodle
Well,
keto
this summer
chow,
you kind of want to treat
course.
yourself.
Yeah.
A little bit.
You always want to treat yourself. And by you, I mean us.
And the last one is the pina colada cooler. That's 100% summer right there. This one just takes some pina colada, keto chow, and a couple of other ingredients. That one looks very, very refreshing.
Coconut milk?
No, heavy
creamed
cream.
coconut.
Oh,
Heavy
I see
cream
what you
and
mean.
creamed coconut. Ooh, and rum extract.
That's
Seltzer
getting all
water.
fancy.
Yeah,
Oh,
that
seltzer
looks really
with a keto
good.
chow is fantastic.
I haven't tried it.
Oh,
I need to try that.
it's like Italian soda, but actually gives you lots and lots of protein.
Yeah. Oh, best of both worlds.
Super
All right. So that is the June My Chow surprise box.
It is. Now we have to go back home and try out some recipes.
Make some
So you sit tight.
So here are the bars, and yes, I did already taste one. They are really good. So my mind always defaults to crust on a cheesecake being graham cracker crumb like, but that is not what these ones are. The crust is definitely like a cakey cookie crust. Look at how perfect that is. So definitely like a cakey cookie snickerdoodle crust. These aren't like crazy sweet. I did use the allulose instead of erythritol. So maybe with the erythritol, it'd be a little bit sweeter. But I thought it was just perfect sweetness the way it was. It wasn't overpoweringly sweet. There is, a big crust to filling ratio. So it's definitely a bar and not a slice of cheesecake, because usually the slice of cheesecake is going to have a lot more of the cheesecake and less crust. So it is a true cheesecake bar, but definitely a win. And I love recipes like this where you can really use any flavor of keto chow. You can make these with the raspberry cheesecake flavor. You can make them with chocolate mint. You could make them with apple pie. That would be really good. I mean, you could really make them with anything except maybe the savory flavors, and you're going to get some kind of a delicious result. Ready to taste, Renee?
Yeah.
All right, go for it. So you just said you're not a very big fan of snickerdoodle.
Yeah.
So we'll see how this goes.
Just take that.
Do you like cinnamon though?
Yeah, but
Some. It's not,
snickerdoodle tastes different.
okay, it's not your favorite flavor.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't really like it.
Don't really like it. Do you think you'd like it with a different flavor of keto chow?
Yeah, like, what if you put pecan sticky bar?
Ooh, that'd be good. Yeah, that'd be really good.
Or peanut butter.
Okay. Peanut butter cheesecake bars. That would be really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking there's like so many flavors. You could pretty much do any flavor and it'd probably be at least good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some flavors would be great,
Yeah.
but they'd all
Like
be at least
peanut
good.
butter and pecan sticky.
Yeah. So those are your two top ideas for this one.
Yes.
Okay, we'll have to try that. Now, last but not least, it's time for the giveaway. I have a full June My Chow surprise box that I'm going to be giving away to one lucky winner. And if you watch the unboxing, you know the big bag is chocolate peanut butter. So this is an excellent box, very coveted box. So what I want you to do to enter is just put hashtag chocolate peanut butter down in the comments. And 1 week from today, I will randomly pick a winner from those comments that have that hashtag. Winners do have to have a shipping address in the US and they have to be over 18. After I pick the winner, I will contact them by replying to their comment. So I do recommend that you have notifications turned on, the bell rung, all of that, so that if I do reply to your comment, you get a notification about it. Otherwise, you'll have to just come back to the video and check a week from now, and a lot of people don't remember to do that. Now, if you do get a reply to your comment that looks like it might be from me, please make sure it is actually from me. There are scammers out there who will take profile pictures from people and they will try to pretend like they are the person doing the giveaway, and they will try to get you to contact them on WhatsApp or something or other to get money from you. You will know that it is actually me replying to your comment because my name will be highlighted when the reply comes from the person who created the video. The name is highlighted. You will also know that it's me because the only way I will ask you to contact me is through my email address, indigoliza@gmail.com. I won't have you go through anything else, just that one email address. So that's it. Hashtag chocolate peanut butter in the comments, and I will be picking the winner in 1 week.